Status da hauzik thokliba irang asina miyamgi chathok chasin tawbuda khudong chadaba kaya leiriba sigi yenglaga highway singda akanba cheksil thorang lokhatuna atubada public transport haunaba laingakna hotnari haina Chief Minister Nongthomam Birena phongdokrai Wafamasi Manipur laingakna sinduna ahanba Manipur Rifles ki banquet hall da pangthokiba Vijay Divas ki thoramda phongdokibane thoramaduna Chief Minister na makha taraduna hai Highway singda matik chaba highway protection force thamli miyamna highway singda chatpa kiba khakta ngaire haiki Myanmar da hauzik thokliba irang asina maram oiraga mioi lishing taruk henna Manipur da changsil lakle haiba wafam nauhongna na palladuna makha tana mioi khara changsil lakani haibagi thazab lairi mioi singa sida humanitarian ground da Chana thaknaba hidak langthak amadi laifam piri makhatana su humanitarian help pigani adubu illegal oina changlakpa singdi illegal ni lamdam masigi tasengba citizen oiragadi chapchaba right fangangani haina su Chief Minister na phongdokhe Myanmar ga tainari ba sajik tampak amadi behang maikai da state amadi central force sing na mikup na home sing na yengsin ba changi haiba wafam Chief Minister na thamladuna hai changsilakli ba mioi sing asi ningthi na biometric tawraga changjafam Hanana supiri hauzik supi kini adubu khul tasin biganu haiki India gi apunba saktam da aikoina compromise tawfam thokte India bu mapangal laiba laibak ama oihenba aikoi gi ithongni haiba pausel Chief Minister na piki Amarom da social media da aranba propaganda kaya sandoktuna miyam da nungaitaba thazana danaba amadi pokhaliba si koknaba akhanaba cyber unit ama semlaga athingba Thingnaba Security Advisor Amadi Chief Secretary da Chief Minister na instruction piki. Taramaduda Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Speaker T.S. Setebrata, Works Minister Tongan Bishojit, Manipur Lenga ki Cabinet Minister Singh, MLA Singh, Chief Secretary, Manipur Lenga ki Security Advisor Home Department ki Makok Tongba official yauna miyoi kayana saryaki.
Permanently, no highways is blocked, but there is National Highway 2, this Kangpopi area, due to some misunderstanding, people are not moving, but goods vehicles are moving both in the highways, and we are trying to open the Choshanpur highways and More highways also. That's why we are taking initiative of it. Akhoi Loina Highway Protection Force ki damakta already I have told you repeatedly, battalion anini. Adu moigi jaga da koi station tongna ba semba sabulo hogdaba irang lakpana han gi ba khrasulai adu ba koi temporary mafam sarga ne adu ma koi thami full proof ta dum chalali hage lambi somba gi si yarani NHSL gi han meeting kaure works minister yauna koi tarka da lambi du moi hanagi abandika bro keno contractor ma khana khara inthinu waina surum daba adu contractor du kakthalo adu ga no boda thuna piyo haidana just January ho manung semani si matex